Hello, good people. This is B at B's Kitchen. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be making, or I'll be cooking Githeri. Yeah, most of the people call it Githeri here in Kenya or in Africa. That's how we call it, Githeri. And these are the ingredients that I'll be using for today. I have, first of all, I have the potatoes here, like 5 of them, big pieces. Then on the other side, I have my tomatoes. I'll be using 3 tomatoes, 2 carrots. I have my 2 onions. I have my capsicum. I have the yellow bell pepper. I have the spring onions to garnish. I have the coriander on this other side, and the garlic and the ginger. Then I'll have salt for tasting. I'll be using Royco. I'll be using curry powder. I'll be using the chili flakes. Yeah, I'm a chili person. And the garam masala. So stick around as I prepare my ingredients, as I cut everything into pieces. I've already finished preparing my ingredients. I've cut everything into small pieces. The carrots, the capsicum, the coriander here. I had forgotten to mention this. I had already boiled my githeri a few hours ago. Yeah, so just the cooking process, nothing else. My onion, the spring onion for garnishing. I've already cut the potatoes into small cubes. The carrots, the yellow bell pepper also. And here on this other side, I have my ginger garlic. So let's start cooking. I'll start by heating my pan. There we go. I've already put my oil in my pan, so I'll wait for the oil to heat up first before I add in my onions. I prefer that. Yeah, it makes the onions to cook fast rather than putting the oil together with the onions. I give it a few minutes, then I'll put in my onions. But now I'm good to go. I can put in my onions. The biggest task while cooking is preparing the ingredients, nothing else. Just cutting everything into pieces. That's why the task is. So I'll allow my onion to cook until it turns to golden brown. Yeah. My onion is well cooked now. I don't want it burning and I don't want it uncooked still. So at this stage I can add in my ginger garlic. There we go. To give it a good mix. You allow it to cook for a few minutes before you add your tomatoes. There we go. well cooked, the garlic, the ginger, all mixed up with the onions. I can add in my tomatoes now. Here are the tomatoes, there we go. Give it a good mix. Before even you let the tomatoes cook, you add in your capsicum. I add in my capsicum. That's enough. Give it another mix. Then I'll add in my yellow bell pepper here. There we go. Give it another mix. I'll allow it to cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Then I'll add in my carrots, the potatoes, and I'll do the spices. So let's give it a few minutes. My tomatoes are well cooked now. You can see the paste. There we go. So I'll add in my potatoes and the carrots. I just love that. I just love the color. Add in my potatoes. Add in my carrots. And give it a good mix. I'll put in my spices and the salt, then I'll cover for it to cook for a few minutes. I'll just allow the potatoes just to cook, not to thoroughly cook, but just cook a bit before I add in my githeri. There we go. I'll add in my spices. There we go. Here I have my salt, I have the garam masala, I have the curry powder, and I have the royco. Everything goes in the pot. Give it a quick mix. I'll let it cook for a few minutes, then I'll add in my githeri now. There we go. Everything has mixed up well, all cooked up a bit. I can go in with the githeri now. Here we go. That's the way I love my githeri. Like the maize and the beans are a bit equal, yeah? Nothing is more than the other. It becomes, if the maize becomes more than the beans, then it's not gonna be githeri at all. But like this is the best way it's supposed to be. Look at that. Look at that. I'm telling you, the flavors, the aroma in this kitchen, something else. So I'll just give it a good mix. Let it cook for 2 minutes, then add some water that is equal to the level of my food and cover it and allow it to cook for 15 minutes to 20 minutes. Yeah. Look at that, people. The githeri looks so nice. I've mixed up everything. It has cooked a bit, but now for the potatoes to cook, I have to add water, but not too much water, just the size of the food, up to where the food is, yeah, because I have to allow the potatoes to cook. But it's smelling so nice, looking so lovely. So I go in with my water. There we go. That's enough. Again, we don't want to spoil our food, you know, with too much. There's something that I've not added here. I know for the dania, that is the coriander and the spring onions. Those ones I'll add after the food is already cooked. I'll allow it to cook for 15 to 20 minutes. There we go. For this, I had chopped over the chili flakes, but I'm not gonna add them in the whole pot. I'll just do this on my plate because not everyone is a fan of the chilies, so this I'll do it with that for now. It's been 20 plus minutes while the food was still cooking, so I guess everything now is ready by now. There we go. As long as the potatoes are well cooked, we're good to go. Oh, everything is well cooked. Look at that. It's time to garnish it up. There we go. So here I'll add in my danias. There we go. Then add in my spring onions. Just allow the food to garnish and add more flavors to the food. Then I'll put off my fire and allow the food to simmer for a few minutes before I serve. That was the outcome that I was looking for, and I got it right. So I put off my fire, then allow it to just simmer for a few minutes before I serve. So after 5 minutes, our food is well garnished. Time to serve. Look at that. Looking so nice. I love the smell. The spring onions, the danias, you know, like every ingredient that I've used in my food today, it was well worth it. Here we go. Time to plate our dish. And as the food was cooking, I had already prepared kachumbari on the side. And I am the type of person who believes kachumbari is a must for any meal. If it's not kachumbari, maybe the salad. That's enough for me. So this is the kachumbari that I had already prepared. I used 1 big tomato, 1 onion, a piece of avocado, and some lemon juice and salt to taste. Here is my dish on the side, so I'll add some kachumbari on the side. Oh god, I'm even salivating. Just can't wait for this food to just slap in my mouth, you know. I just love kachumbari, so I can that's enough. So there is our Githeri for today. A very simple meal, a very simple recipe to follow. It's time to dig in, and it's way too hot. It's way too hot. Today my girl is here and she's going to taste for us. And she's gonna tell us the flavor that she's going to get. Okay? Here we go, baby girl. Won't give it too much. I put for you some Are you ready, baby? Are you ready? It's gonna have to brew for you. It's too hot. Here we go.
So delicious.
So it's my turn to dig in, and I feel the flavors. I can't wait. Looking so yummy. So I'll go in. Look at that. It's hot. Where? Okay. It's so yummy. It's so delicious, baby. On a serious note, on a scale of 1 to 10, this is a 10 over 10 minus nothing, yeah? It's so yummy. I try in with the kachumbari. There we go. I'll add in my cornflakes. Gosh, Ati cornflakes. Oh God. Sorry. Chili flakes. Hey. Oh God, I'm just thinking about my morning and everything about the breakfast. Chili flakes, yeah. I'm a fan of chili, yeah. There we go. So please allow me to continue enjoying my meal. If you need this kind of a recipe, I'll drop it in my description. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel. That was Bee's Kitchen for you. Thank you for subscribing. Right now we're at 100 subscribers, and I'm so happy. I can't wait to get all the way to, to 1,000. Get me to 1,000, my people. Just subscribe, follow, like, share. Anything you do to that channel, I'll be happy, I'll appreciate. Thank you so much. That was Bee's Kitchen for you. Until next time, bye-bye.